Hey Amy, I went through and set up an Excel test for you, and I just wanted to show you what the results tab looks like, just so we can understand how it's used for training and as a tutorial. So whenever someone completes this test, and I went through and ran a sample, this is the exact same test you guys can use. It's set up in your dashboard. Whenever it's completed, both you and the test taker will receive a link to get to this page. This will show us the test taker's information, how long they took on the test, their overall score, and this subject breakdown shows us what subjects they took, so it was just one subject for this test, and how they did on each of the questions. So I got 1 correct, 1 incorrect, and 18 I didn't answer. The more important piece for training or tutorials is test results by question. So on here I got this one correct, but we can go in and see first of all the question, but also and more importantly, we can see all of the available methods we could use to get to that same answer. So this can be used for you and your test taker to say, hey, I got that question wrong, but what ways and what methods could I use to get it right in the future? So you can read through this, and this is available to you and the test taker. So y'all can go through, and if I close this out, I can go to theoretically through each of these questions and see all of the ways I could have gotten the answer right. So for this one, there's 9, and that's really important for helping them understand what they did wrong, so they can do it better in the future. And just let me know if you have any questions. I'm sending this link to you. It's a video on YouTube. And also I will be sending a link to this assessment, which is just Excel questions. And both you and the test taker will receive the link to this whenever it's completed. Also, the test taker, as soon as they complete the test, it'll actually give them the option to look at their results immediately. Again, if you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you.